everybody, this is my first video on my channel. Today we'll see how a breadboard works. So this is a breadboard. This is used to build prototype circuits before soldering onto a PCB like this to check how the circuit works. Because if once you solder onto the circuit board, you can't remove it. It is very much hassle to remove this thing. Like MOSFET, it has 3 pins, it's not easy to remove. So we can build prototype circuits on this. So let's look how it works. There are rows and column like this which are separated from each other. Basically they are metal strips like wires which you can connect using jumper wires to make your own circuit. And this is a male to male jumper wire, so you can connect this thing like this. So first see how inside of a breadboard looks. This is a column, this is the row. You can see they are separated from each other here. So if you want to connect this column and this column, then you can take a jumper wire and connect it like this, and anywhere here. So that means you connected this two column together. Not only here, you can connect this thing anywhere like this. Or if you want to connect this column to this column, then you can just connect this thing like this. So now you connected this column to this column. So let's build a easy circuit turning on an LED with a cell. So now we'll build a simple LED circuit on a breadboard. For that we'll connect the cell to this power lines or the rails and the LED to any of the two rows. So I'll take a breadboard. I'm going to use this rail and this rail as plus and minus. So I've connected the plus terminal here and minus terminal here. Now what happens? So this whole line becomes plus terminal and this whole rail becomes minus terminal, the vertical ones. Now we will take a LED and we'll connect in any of the two rows. I've taken LED. Notice the longer leg is the positive terminal, shorter leg is a negative terminal. I'll connect it here. The plus is here and the minus is here. We'll take a jumper wire and connect this plus to here. Now here what happens is this wire is connected to this leg of the LED through this row. And now we'll connect another wire here and to the negative terminal of the cell. Now this wire is connected to this leg of the LED. Now we'll connect this wire here. You can see it glows. It's not that you can put this thing here, you can put any of in these holes. You can change this also. So basically this is a one single wire and these are also one single wires. So now let's modify the circuit and use a push button to turn on the LED on command. So now we will connect a LED to a push button to turn on the LED on command or when you press it. So this is the circuit which you can follow, circuit diagram. The plus terminal of the LED is connected to plus terminal of the cell. The minus terminal is connected to a switch or push button, and another terminal is also connected to another leg of the push button. So I'm going to use this leg and this leg of the push button. So we'll connect push button like this on a breadboard in between the gap, something like this. Then we'll take one wire, connect the negative terminal to the one leg of the button and this to the negative terminal of the cell like this. So now this is connected to this wire and this wire is connected to the cell via this column and this row. You can see when I press the button, the LED glows. So that's it for today, guys. I'll come up with new videos and new projects and experiments on this channel. So stay tuned.